Okay, so now you want to replace all the images from the template to the new images you select. Okay, so that includes our homepage, the header, right? Small images here, and then for each service page, this service page. Okay, service page, like there's one image for each page, service page, right? About us page, there's a photo, contact us. That's all the photos you need to replace. So this image, free instant quote, you don't touch it. You don't have to replace it. Okay, so let's see how we do it, right? So say when we are on this, after you log in, so you are you have this bar, right? That means you're already logged in to the WordPress with the username and password, and then you can do the editing in WordPress. You click this Elementor. That's how you edit this page. Okay. Okay. So here, you click here. Here you click on the header, right? Then how to replace the image header? Okay, you want to move your cursor here. So this whole header is selected. You want to move your cursor here. Okay, that's very important. And then you want to click the image, right? And then you want to click this. You want to upload files. You want to upload a new image. Okay. I'm just doing it for example. Okay. So I will upload a new image. For example, I do it this. So this is uploaded. Okay. And then I can click. You can edit the old text here. I will talk about it in next video. But then you click insert media. That's how you change the image. Okay. See, the image is changed. Okay. So and also you need to do is remember this photo is the photo you just replaced. You want to delete it. You click delete permanently for this because you are replacing all the photos for the new websites, right? It's just an example. For small photos, same thing, right? You move your cursor on the picture, click it, then you can click here, right? You click upload files, and then you select the files to upload and replace, and then you delete the photo later. Okay, so do that for every photos on homepage, and then I show you how to change page. So you have to click update for this to be effect, right? Right now I just showing you the example. I don't click this, and then you go back. You want to go back to say view page, leave. That goes back to this the previous scene, right? So you have flexibility to navigate to different pages. If in the Elementor mode, you cannot just click here and go to another page. So right now you're going to this bar, the original state, right? So now you click here, you go to another page, and then you click Elementor to replace the photo here, right? The ones you already selected. And then save, click updates, right? Same thing. You want to click view page to go back to this state. Then you go to another page, and then you click Elementor to change the page. Okay, this is the video.